In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download and install Epic Games Launcher on your Windows. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open any of the browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Here we go. Now at the top you can see the search bar, type there Epic Games Launcher. Now here you can see the link for downloading Epic Games Launcher. Click on that link. Now again click on this option, download Epic Games Launcher. At the bottom you can see that it is being downloaded. After it is downloaded, you have to just click on that file. Just click on it. Now you have to install it to your desktop. Click on install anyway. You can see that it is being prepared to install. Click on install. It is in the process. After it is installed to your desktop, you can easily open and use this app. In this way, you can easily download and install Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.